Good morning, students. In our previous videos, we read about the Constitution of India and how Constituent Assembly works. Now, let us read more about Indian Constitution. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar appointed chairman of the drafting committee and Constitution adopted on 26 November. But it came in the effect in 26 January 1950 when India became republic. The constitution reflects the best minds of the country. Its members represented mini India. Those who drafted the Indian constitution felt that it has to be accordance with people's aspirations and changes in society. They didn't see it as a scared, static and unalterable law. So they made provisions to incorporate changes from time to time. These changes were called constitutional amendments. Till date, 104 amendments have been made in the Constitution. The amendment procedure provided in the Constitution is as follows. There are three categories of amendment. First, amendment procedure provided in the Constitution that first category amendments can be done by simple majority of members present and voting before sending it for the President's assent. In the second category, amendments required a special majority. Such an amendment can be passed by each House of Parliament by the 2/3 of the majority members of the House present and voting and then sent to the President for assent. The third category amendments is really difficult to pass beside the special majority mentioned in the second category. The same has to be approved by at least 50% of the state legislatures. Guiding values of Indian Constitution, the leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Dr. Ambedkar, and Jawaharlal Nehru put forward their views about dream and promise the Constitution makes for the nation. The preamble of the Constitution speaks about the philosophy on which entire Constitution has been built. This is the soul of the Indian Constitution. Following are the values mentioned in the preamble, which are these: sovereignty, socialism, secularism, democratic and republic nature of India, justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. With these pictures, you can see the sovereignty, secularism, where all religions are equal, no religion is special or official. Democratic, as we know that in democracy we people choose our leader. Justice, liberty, equality, fraternity. These are the features of our preamble. Thank you.